Were you curious about the Fabfitfun PupBox? Well, we were, so we ordered it. Come check it out with us. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and we are going to open up the Fabfitfun PupBox. But I can already tell you that it is not scented in the same way that BarkBox is. So when he gets BarkBox, he knows what it is. There must be some scent to that box because he's like trying to chew it open. He absolutely knows what it is. He has ignored this as if he doesn't even know what it is, and he doesn't. So we're going to open this up. Now my poor little guy had 17 teeth removed, and in that process they had to do an x-ray before and found some calcium oxalate stones in his belly. So back he goes on Monday the 26th to surgery. So by the time this goes up, he'll probably already have gone to surgery. I'm not really sure how I'm going to put this out, but he'll probably already have had his surgery. And they have to be removed, so they're not the type of stones that can be removed through diet. So unfortunately, he's got to have another surgery, poor little guy. But it's been quite an adventure trying to find food I can feed him now. So he has to be on a low calcium oxalate diet, which means that he can't have foods that are high in that. So he can have calcium, but it's the calcium oxalate. And apparently that's found in things that are in most dog foods. Spinach, sweet potatoes, brown rice, organ meats. So I was at Petco just trying to find some things that he could eat besides the fact that he has very few teeth, although the vet says he can have kibble still. But also things that didn't contain one or many of those ingredients. And I was giving him some of the soft food that you can buy in the refrigerator section, but every single one of that had at least one of those ingredients. So I'm going to have to start making his food in order to kind of give him a nutritious meal that he can eat to decrease the likelihood of calcium oxalate stones forming again. But apparently in certain small breeds, it is something that they're more susceptible to. I believe Shih Tzus, and he may have some Shih Tzu in him. I have no idea what he is. He's just my beautiful little mutt. But yeah, that's just a little FYI for you guys. And kind of when you're looking at dog food and depending upon what breed you have, you know, read up and see if they're more susceptible to that. Because again, these do not, the only way to get them out is to do surgery or let him try to pass them, but that can cause him a lot of pain. So we decided to just go ahead with the surgery. All right, Bandit, I have a box for you. Come on up. This is a Bandit box. It's a Bandit box. Well, come see. Come see the Bandit box. Now, treats I'm not being as, I don't know, vigilant with because, you know, he gets a little treat here and there. Not as much as like when you're giving them, you know, their dinner. So I'm not being as vigilant with the treats, so I'm not as worried about that. Now, for the first time that you got this, it was a discounted rate of I think $41.99, and I think it's regularly $49.99 or something like that. So I don't know, I'm going to continue getting it. There was also a free gift, which was a Sassy Wolf, not Sassy Wolf, Found My Animal leash, I believe, and $25 credit in the store. So I was like, I can't pass that up because I'm basically getting this for less than BarkBox with more items. So I couldn't pass up at least getting the first one with all of that. Here is your sneak peek. I did get the medium, so you could get small, medium, or large. Large, extra large. So it was extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, I believe were the size options. And I went with the medium only because I have other dogs to share it with, and I didn't want the thinner leash, I wanted the thicker one. So let's see, there's some different ads in here, one for Pets Table, but again, I didn't see this particular food, but I saw a lot of the foods like this, and it's not that there's bad things, but there's sweet potato in a lot of the foods. There's brown rice in a lot of the foods. There's spinach in a lot of the foods. So I couldn't Probably couldn't use that. And it says, welcome to your very first PupBox by Fabfitfun, and the reason your pet will finally love the mailman. Each season, your furry friend will receive a box filled with premium products that elevate your pup's life while making yours a little easier and a whole lot more fun. Plus, with a seasonal cadence, you'll receive just the right amount of goodies to avoid monthly treat overload. Oh, and did we mention that as a PupBox by Fabfitfun subscriber, you'll also receive exclusive discounts, perks, and access to digital offers. Okay. So here is that free leash, and I really like this company because they're in, I believe they're in New York. I think they're in the Bronx, if I recall, because I had chose the leash as one of my choice items in the summer. And they donate to animal rescue organizations, so I like that. And this is, I love the colors on this. It's nice and heavy duty. This is made from marine quality hemp, I think, or rope, whatever. And I did actually, they actually have digital codes sometimes, and they had one for this. It was 50% off. So I went ahead and ordered the one that I wanted, which, because I thought that this is just a regular one, but they have one that actually has like a little thing on here, and it's longer, and you can hook it to your waist, or you can crossbody it. And for a small dog like him, that's not going to be a problem. Like, I would never do that with my lab because I'd break a hip. But for him, it's more about like if I'm busy cooking or doing something, he'll just like wander off and go pee somewhere if he has to pee and nobody notices. So it's more to kind of keep him near me, so that if he has to go out, I'll have a better idea because he'll start pulling. So the theme for this was a charcuterie board, and we have our sardine can. Oh, now you know what's going on. It's got a little pouch in there. Now you know. It says Go Dog on the back. That must be the brand. Oh, this is large. I must have gone with the large box. He likes big toys, though. He likes toys bigger than him. And we have some rosé. Looks like it's got a plastic bottle inside of it. It does. It's got a plastic bottle inside of it. So if they chew through it, you can always replace that. But I don't know what you'll do about the squeaker. Do you want that? You're not sure? All right. We have a little, that's a mini one of the sardine. We've got a mini one. And this is in small. So I'm not sure which one I ordered. And we have, this is small medium. This is the charcuterie board. You get all your stuff on there. And it's Velcro, so, or at least some of it is. Cheese, the pepperoni, and the cheese you just grabbed. This cheese. Like that. Ooh, that keeps coming off. Then we have some fig jam. That's by Fab Dog. Super cute. Like that. We have a nice little fancy scarf for him, so he's all nice and fall ready. And we have 3 treats. We have some Beefy Delights made with globally sourced ingredients in the U.S. We have salmon snackers. And these are little like training treats. And we have some Charlie Bear grain-free crunch bacon and blueberry flavor. How about that? Why don't we try that? So there is how it looks. Is it Bandit approved? Is it Bandit approved? Do I get kisses for that? don't? Wow, okay, that's a little cheap. I mean, I got you this whole box. That's like more than BarkBox has in it. You got your handsome scarf on. Can you show everybody your handsome scarf? Come here. Oh, no, he's running away. He knew. Come on. Oh, handsome boy scarf. I'll get your toy. No kisses? I get no kisses? Oh. All right. Well, there's no kisses from Bandit right now. Maybe later. But please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is totally free, and it would mean so much to Bandit in particular. So, I mean, we can't turn him down, right? Poor little guy. All right. Thank you so much, and hopefully we'll see you soon.